Hi, Minto here. In this video, we're going to learn how to connect your Jasmine login with 1Password using two-factor authentication. To do that, we'll want to go to the Setup menu by going and clicking on the gear icon on the top right, and then clicking Setup. On the Setup menu on the left, you'll want to open the Users menu under Administration, and then click on Users. On the Users menu, click on your username, and under the App Registration One-Time Password Authenticator, click on the Connect link. Now, the system will send a verification code to your email, and we'll get that code and enter it in. Now that we've entered the verification code, we'll click on Verify, and we'll be presented with a QR code that we can use an authenticator app, or in our case, we're going to use 1Password. And so you can click on your 1Password browser extension, which I recommend installing into your browser. I'm on Chrome, so I'll click on 1Password here, and this will present me with the 1Password search, and I'll enter in the account that I have with 1Password. And I can click on the More Options menu up here and click on the Scan QR code. So it automatically scans the QR code and creates a one-time password for us, which we can copy and then enter into the verification code here and then click Connect. And that is the completion of the one-time password two-factor authentication setup. Now I'll show you what it looks like to log in using 1Password. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back up to the browser search bar here, and I'm just going to type in the login page. And here we're presented with the usual Salesforce login page. And I will use 1Password to populate the username and password, and then click Login. And then we're now presented with this Verify Your Identity. And so you'll notice that 1Password has already pre-filled the verification code for us, and we can enter using the Verify button. And now we are logged into Jasmine using the 1Password two-factor authentication. And thank you.